Welcome to DIY Creations. Today we are excited to teach you how to tie the square knot, one of the most essential knots in macrame. This versatile knot is perfect for creating stunning wall hanging, plant hangers, and various other macrame projects. Material will needed macrame cord or any sturdy string, scissor, a dowel or ring. Now some steps to tie the square knot. Step 1. Prepare your cords. Cut 4 lengths of cord. For practice, start with cords that are at least 2 feet long. Fold the cords in half and attach them to your dowel or ring using a lugs head knot. You should have 4 working cords hanging down. Next step is identify the chords. Label the chords from left to right as 1, 2, 3, and 4. The two outer chords, 1 and 4, are your working chords, and the two inner chords, 2 and 3, are your filler chords. Next step is form the first half of the knot. Take chord 1 and place it over the chords 2 and 3, creating a loop on the left side. Take chord 4 and place it over the tail of chord 1, then under chords 2 and 3, and finally, through the loop created by chord 1, pull both working chords 1 and 4 to tighten the knot against the dowel. Next step is form the second half of the knot. Take chord 1 and place it under chords 2 and 3, creating a loop on the right side. Take chord 4 and place it under the tail of chord 1, then over chords 2 and 3. And finally, through the loop created by chord 1, pull both working chords 1 and 4 to tighten the knot. Congratulations! You tied a square knot. This knot consists of two parts, the left half and the right half. When repeated, the square knot creates a flat, square-shaped patterns, making it ideal for a variety of macrame designs. Now some tips. Ensure your knots are tied consistently and tightly to maintain an even pattern. Experiment with cord types. Different types of cord can create varied texture and effect in your macrame project. Practice make perfect. Spend time practicing the square knot to perfect your techniques before starting larger projects. I hope you enjoyed learning how to tie the square knot. The fundamental knots open the door to countless macrame projects and designs. Stay tuned for more tutorial and creative ideas to enhance your crafting skills. Happy knotting, and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations.